Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Japan. This is the new Zenpop box. You can go over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider, and get a nice little discount. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Well, alright, so the first thing we're greeted with is a thank you note. No, thank you! And then, as usual, we have our information sheet. This has the names and descriptions of each variety that's in the box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 5, 6, 7. Looks like we have 8 varieties this time. And this time, this is the Tour of Asia pack for January 2020. So now what I'll do is I'll just pick random ones out of the box, read you the description, check them out. Alright, so we've got a Myojo Spicy Yuzu Maze Soba. Maze Soba literally translates as mixed noodles. It originated in Taiwan as a dry noodle dish made from a rich soy sauce and various ingredients like menma, bamboo shoot, minced meat, and raw egg. This maze soba features unique and local flavors from Niigata Prefecture, Japan's snow country. The noodles are finished with a spicy soy sauce containing konzuri, a paste made with yuzu, kosho, citrus and pepper, chili pepper, salt, rice, koji, a yeast, and yuzu peels. So I was mistaken, it's not 8 varieties this month, it's 7, but there's a couple that you might get either this one or this one on, which is kind of neat. Well, it looks like I got the one that I wouldn't have reviewed before. It looks like the 2 options would have been a sesame tantan udon or a soy milk wonton tantan men. I've done the soy milk tantan men, so the sesame tantan udon is right here, and this is by Marushan. A thick and fragrant soup, enhanced with the richness of roasted sesame seed. Smooth and extra thick udon noodles will soak up the miso-based soup, made with chicken and pork. Toppings include ground chicken, sesame, green onions, and coarsely ground chili. Alright, this is a Myojo variety, and this is Shio Wonton Ramen. The perfect low-calorie and salty ramen to eat on a cold day. A deeply layered and flavorful soup which has a nice harmony with the slightly chewy and non-fried noodles. The taste of kelp, chicken, and vegetable dashi comes through well for this umami-rich soup, finished off with wonton. For those worried about your health, this recipe has been renewed and reduced salt by 25%. Next up, yet another Myojo variety. This is their Koku Shoyu Ramen, and I believe this line also mentions being rich. Shoyu, soy sauce ramen, that combines supple and easy-to-eat noodles with chicken soy sauce soup. By adding koku uma no mori, a special chicken oil, the rich flavor of chicken is obvious and satisfying. The rich soy sauce is best added just before you eat, giving your ramen a nice scent and beautiful color. This ultimate cup of chicken shoyu ramen is topped with crunchy bamboo shoots, leeks, and minced chicken. This is called Sundobu Karakuchi Ramen. Sundobu is extra soft tofu, popular in Korean dishes such as sundobu jigae or soft tofu stew. Deep flavor of this Korean-inspired soup comes from pork and clams as well as garlic and chili. Medium thick noodles retain a good chewiness and are very easy to eat. This spicy and umami full soup is topped with a combination of kimchi, tofu, green onions, and chili. A great flavor and scent combo. And next up, another Korean-inspired variety, we have kimchi ramen. Kimchi ramen flavored with Momoya Kimchi Nomoto, a famous kimchi base sold here in Japan, made from vegetables and seafood. While you can expect spice, you will be delighted to taste a touch of sweetness. The sticky noodles are topped with kimchi, minced meat, Chinese cabbage, scrambled eggs, and green onions. This is a Hello Kitty limited edition ramen. These special anniversary cup noodles from Ace Cook commemorate the 45th anniversary of Hello Kitty. Scan the QR code on the packaging to watch Hello Kitty videos. You'll enjoy either a classic tonkatsu or shoyu ramen, both which feature Hello Kitty as a special ingredient. Let's eat kawaii ramen for lunch. So I'm gonna guess there's kamaboko in this. Yeah, this is tonkatsu. Alright, so in this, the Tour of Asia pack for January 2020 from Zenpop, you get maze soba, shio tantan udon, koku shoyu, Hello Kitty, sundobu karokuchi ramen, kimchi ramen, a thank you note, and your info sheet. Alright, well cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at zenpop.jp for shooting this over. Hey, if you're still looking for a very last minute Christmas gift, these boxes are great. You can head over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code RamenRaider, get that discount, and just send somebody a thing saying, hey, guess what, I got you this for the new year and stuff, and you'll get some noodles in the mail and you'll be all set. So yeah, cool. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.